Hi, Mark Laxton here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to a YouTube video using the YouTube video editor. Okay, so in this video we're going to look at adding music to a YouTube video, and this will be using the YouTube editor that's built into YouTube. So it's really cool, really quick and easy to use, and you can make a big difference to the videos that you upload. So you'll see this video at the moment. This is a new channel that I've created, and you can see this is just about YouTube statistics. Also with this, when I've uploaded this video, I've actually uploaded it to unlisted. So at the moment I've not done any optimization with this video. So rather than uploading the video to public and having no optimization on it at all or no description, then first of all it's advisable to upload it as unlisted and then obviously work on the title and the description, tags and everything later on. So I'll just play this at the moment.
Established in 2005, YouTube is one of the first global social networks around, and its relevance continues to do.
So this basically goes on for, you can see, just over 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. But with just the speech,
Posted, viewed, and shared on YouTube, can be watched on this.
Okay, you can see that that's not exactly that interesting. Obviously, just talking about statistics. There's no background music or anything like that, so you can easily solve that right from within YouTube. So you just go to Video Editor or Edit Video, and just at the top here you go to Audio. So click on Audio. Okay.
Established in 2005.
So obviously you've got your video there, that'll play through there. Now you can see all your different music tracks here that you can use, and obviously these are provided by YouTube and they're all royalty free, so you're not going to get any issues uploading videos that have got music already on them and then have YouTube let you know that the music could potentially be copyright. Okay, so these are all okay to use. Now what you can do is also click on this where it's got top tracks. You can find different types of music that you want to use. So in this example I'm just going to go for something ambient, so I'm just going to go for something fairly nice and slow and steady and easy listening kind of thing. And then also you've got the time here as well, so obviously look at the time of how long your video is, because you don't want the audio track sort of finishing here before the video finishes. So you can just scroll through these and make sure that you've got something that's going to last you at least as long as the video. Okay, so that's 3 minutes 2. And you can see here this first one, this Sega, is 3 minutes 57, so that'll be just fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one. Now you will hear it break up slightly because obviously it's loading as it's sort of going. Also what you'll notice is that at the moment there's no speech, it's just music. So what you can do here is where it says underneath only music, you can scroll that down, so you've got it. 1 second, you'll see this.
Established in 2005, YouTube is one of.
Okay, so it's favouring the music, so obviously the music is slightly louder than the voice. So what I'm going to do is drop it right down, so favour original audio.
Established in 2005, YouTube is one of the first social networks around, and its relevance continues to do nothing but grow.
Okay, so that noise in the background obviously was something on my computer, but you could, if I just play that again.
Video content posted, viewed and shared on YouTube can be watched on desktops, laptops.
So it just adds you know, a little bit of background music and just makes it a lot more pleasant to listen to, and yeah, a lot more interesting to watch as well. So like I say, there's a few little clips in it, a few little cuts, but it won't sound like that once you actually download the full video. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll save this video, and then we can play some of it afterwards, just to show that it's not breaking up at all. And while you are waiting for the background music to be added, you will see this. So when you see your videos, you will see this edit in progress. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just leave that progressing and come back and check your video a little bit later. But for now, I'll just pause the video and I'll come back and carry on once that's done. Okay, so as you can see, the video has now finished processing, so the little bar across the thumbnail image has disappeared. Now, when you do this and add this music to a YouTube video, don't worry if it seems to take a long time. It's still going to work okay. This has actually taken probably about 10-15 minutes just to add that background music. So, you know, don't worry about it. Just leave it to do its thing and come back and check it later on. But I think what you'll find is it's well worth doing. Like I say, it just adds a nice feeling to the video and makes it a bit more interesting. So I'll just play this video now so you can just watch the difference.
Established in 2005, YouTube is one of the first global social networks around, and its relevance continues to do nothing but grow. The video content posted, viewed and shared on YouTube can be watched on desktop.
So I think you can agree there. It just adds a nice element to the video, and it just keeps it that much more interesting, and rather than just talking and no sound in the background at all. So that's how you can easily add the sound and music, background music, to a video. I'm just going to click on this video editor for now and go to audio again.
Established in 2005.
And just to finish off, I just wanted to show you this other option here, position audio. So if we click on that, you can then position the audio anywhere within your video. So if you don't want it to start straight away, you can just drag this across and get it to start at a certain point in your video, and also where it ends as well. So you can just drag that across. If you just do this, it'll start playing in a second.
Established in 2005.
Okay, so you can drag it to there, and obviously the music would end there, and then it would carry on playing the rest of the video with no music. Okay, so once you're done positioning the audio, just click on done.
Established in 2005, YouTube.
And there you go. So that's how to add background music to a YouTube video. And bearing in mind as well, if you've got any YouTube videos that are already uploaded and you wanted to add some music to them, then you can just do the same as well. Just go to the video, go to editing, and click on the audio and add the background music. Just scroll through these, find some nice music, and add some background music to existing YouTube videos. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, just remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell icon as well, just to get notifications of when I upload more videos. But for now, thanks very much for watching, and speak to you soon.